Hi everyone! Welcome back to English with Leo and Maya channel. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Hello, hello. How are you today?
I'm good, Leo. I'm happy. Today we have a great topic.
Yes, today we talk about daily life.
Daily life. That means your normal day. What you do every day.
Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, and sleep. That is daily life.
Exactly. And today you will learn easy words and phrases to talk about your day in English.
This is real conversation practice. Listen, repeat, and practice with us.
If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe and like this video. It helps us a lot.
And comment below. Tell us where you were from. We love reading your comments.
Okay, let's start. Are you ready, Leo?
I'm ready, Maya. Let's go.
Okay, Leo. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up. That means you open your eyes, you are not sleeping anymore.
Wake up. Good. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I wake up early.
Wow, early. After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth, clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Yes, brush my teeth. I also wash my face. Wash my face, clean your face with water.
Good habits. Then, breakfast time. What do you eat for breakfast, Leo?
I eat breakfast at 7:30. I usually have eggs and coffee. What about you?
I have toast and tea. Simple breakfast.
After breakfast, I get dressed. Get dressed, put on your clothes.
Get dressed, yes. Then we go to work, right?
Right, go to work. I take the bus to work. How do you go to work, Maya?
I drive to work. Drive, go somewhere by car.
Nice. So now you know, wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, eat breakfast, get dressed, go to work.
That's 6 new phrases already. Let's continue with the afternoon.
Okay, at 12 p.m. I have lunch. Have lunch, eat food in the middle of the day.
I have lunch with my coworkers. Coworkers, people you work with.
Coworkers, yes. After lunch, I go back to work. I work until 5 p.m.
Then we finish work. Finish work, stop working for the day.
Finish work. After that, I go home. Go home, return to your house.
What do you do at home in the evening, Leo?
I cook dinner. Cook dinner, make food to eat at night.
I usually relax at home. Relax, rest, no stress. Feel calm.
Relax. That's a good word. After dinner, I watch TV for 1 hour.
I read a book before bed. Before bed, before you go to sleep.
And finally, go to sleep. Go to sleep, close your eyes, and rest at night.
Perfect. Now we have a full daily routine in English. Okay, everyone, let's practice. Repeat after Leo and me. Ready?
Wake up. Wake up.
Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
Go to work. Go to work.
Have lunch. Have lunch.
Finish work. Finish work.
Go home. Go home.
Cook dinner. Cook dinner.
Relax. Relax.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Great job, everyone. You are speaking English.
Let's try a full sentence now. Repeat, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Now try, I go to work every day.
I go to work every day.
Excellent. One more. I relax at home in the evening.
I relax at home in the evening.
Perfect. You did so well.
Amazing! You are learning fast. Keep practicing every day. Now let's hear a short story. This is about our friend Anna.
Yes, Anna is a teacher. Let's listen to her daily life.
Anna wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. She brushes her teeth and washes her face.
Then she eats breakfast. She likes eggs and orange juice.
At 7:30, Anna gets dressed and goes to work. She's a teacher at a school.
At 12 p.m., Anna has lunch with her coworkers. They talk and laugh together.
At 4 p.m., Anna finishes work. She goes home and relaxes for a little.
In the evening, Anna cooks dinner. She likes to cook pasta.
After dinner, Anna reads a book. Then she goes to sleep at 10 p.m.
What a nice routine, right? Now let's do a quick Q&A role play.
Okay, I will ask questions like Anna's friend. Maya, you answer like Anna.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, Anna. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
And what do you do after work?
I go home and relax. Then I cook dinner.
That sounds nice. Thank you, Anna.
Great job, Leo. That was fun. Now it's your turn, everyone. Answer these questions in the comments below. Okay, let's review today's vocabulary. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Wake up. Open your eyes, stop sleeping.
Brush my teeth. Clean your teeth.
Wash my face. Clean your face with water.
Get dressed. Put on your clothes.
Go to work. Travel to your job.
Have lunch. Eat food at midday.
Co-workers, people you work with.
Finish work. Stop working for the day.
Go home. Return to your house.
Cook dinner. Make food in the evening.
Relax. Rest and feel calm.
Go to sleep. Close your eyes at night and rest.
Wonderful! That's 12 new phrases today. Now you can talk about your daily life in English. Thank you so much for watching English Podcast today.
Yes, thank you. We really enjoy teaching you English every day.
If you learned something new, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe English with Leo and Maya channel. We make new videos every day.
Click the bell icon too, so you don't miss new lessons.
Now, here is our question of the day.
What time do you wake up every day? Write your answer in the comments.
And tell us, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
We love reading your comments. Practice makes progress.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.